Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to automatically collapse a selection in Photoshop. Just in case you have received this kind of design from a client, which is a flat image, and you need to move the decorative bar closer to the text, and you also want to break the red text or the gray text. To move the text around, you will use the selection tool. To rearrange the design, you need to move the decorative bar closer to the text and also move the gray text below the red text while making sure you don't cover the descenders. To do that, you'd use the selection tool. Press M to pick the Marquee tool. Marquee around the gray text. Go to the layers panel. Make sure your layer is flattened. Press V to pick the move tool. Drag the gray text below the red text, about there. But our challenge here is making sure the descenders are not covered. To do that, we need to collapse the selection immediately around the gray text. Let us undo. To collapse the selection, we use the magic wand tool. Pick the magic wand tool. Change the tolerance to 0. Don't check anti-layers. Leave contiguous on. Now need to select sample layers since you only have one layer. And if you have a more compressed image, you can increase the tolerance to around 12. Hold Alt and click on the white area to remove the white pixels. That automatically collapse the selection. Press V to pick the move tool. Drag the gray text below the red text. And that helps us avoid covering the descenders. Let us do the same to the decorative bar. Let us apply the move by deselecting the text by pressing Ctrl D, Command D on Mac. Press M to pick the Marquee tool. Marquee around the decorative bar. Pick the magic wand tool. Press Alt and click on the white area to deselect the white pixels. Press V to pick the move tool. Drag the decorative bar closer to the text. While at it, let us also scale it. In that case, jump it into a new layer. Go to Layer, New Layer via Cut, or press the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-J, Command-Shift-J on Mac. Press Ctrl-T, Command-T on Mac to shift to free transform. Let us scale the decorative bar. Let me press F a couple of times to shift full screen mode. And that's it. How you automatically collapse a selection in Photoshop. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episodes.